try to select the first option. Okay. Yes. So what you do is select the first option. So try to select the first option here. So this is the first option you selected. Okay, select the first option and install it. So select the first option and download. So I just click on what here? Download, right? So once you click on download, you'll get this second page. Now in this, you don't require to do any registration. In this, you don't require to do any registration. So what you can do is, you just click on, okay, you just click on saying my SQL community downloads, log in now or sign up for free account. So don't select anything. You can select which one, no thanks, and just start my download, right? So don't do any registration. Don't do any registration. Just select the option called no thanks and start downloading here. So this is a second option. Okay, this is a second option which you have to do it, right? Yes, this is a second option. So first option, once it is completed, second it will ask my community, MySQL community downloads. Don't select anything, log in, sign up, just select no thanks, just start my download. Okay, just start my download. Okay, right? So just click on this. Okay, so once it is done, so MySQL installer, this is web installer. Just click on this. Now, once you click on this, it will ask you to open file. Just click on which one? Run. Okay, and just click on yes. So just click on, actually it will not show you this, but just click on add. Just click on add. And what you are adding is MySQL server. Which one you are adding here? MySQL server. Just click on add MySQL server. So which version of server you want to add, select that. Okay, which version you want to add, select that. Now in this, you have so many versions, but I'll try to take the current version. I try to take which one? Current version, and just click on which one? Add. So which one I'm trying to install here? MySQL Server 8.0. MySQL Server 8.0. Okay. And then just click on next. Okay. MySQL Server is installing in this particular location. If you want to change, you can change the location. So MySQL Server ready to install. So select this and click on execute. Okay, completed, and just click on next. So ready to configure, just click on next again. So again, just remember this port number 3306. Okay, yes. So type of networking, no, not required to do any changes here. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Use a strong password encryption for authentication. So what is a password? See, default username is root. What is the username is root, and just give the password. Remember this password. If you don't remember the password, you have to forget the MySQL. You have to install again. Okay. So I enter the password as a root and username is a root. See here, enter the password for the account. Which one? Root. So username is a root. Even I'm giving password also what? Root. So just check this here, whether it is connecting or not. Okay. Right. Username is a root and password also you have to remember. So what is the password I've given here? Root only. Username is a root and password is also root. Just click on next and then click on which one? Next and execute. So it will try to install it. Yes. Installation is successful. Just click on finish here. Yes. Nothing you have to do it. Just close it. So MySQL server is what here? Installed. Yes. MySQL is installed. MySQL is installed. Only two steps. Just download and start installing it. Now in your system, this database is available. Which database is available in your system? MySQL database is available in system. Okay. So MySQL database server. What is this here? MySQL database server. Which one is available in your system? MySQL database server is available. MySQL server, database server is available in your system, right? MySQL database server. What is this here? MySQL database server is available in your system. Then how to work with this MySQL database server? Okay. Yes. But whenever you are talking about this, right? MySQL database server, actually MySQL is a software. MySQL is a software, and the software is the product of Oracle Corporation. Is a product of which one? Oracle Corporation is a company, right? This company having two database softwares. This company has developed two database softwares. One is Oracle itself, and one more is which one? MySQL. So this Oracle Corporation is having Oracle Corporation or Oracle company is having two database products. So Oracle company is having how many database products? Two database products. One is Oracle itself, and one more is which one? MySQL. So these are different database softwares. Okay, like Microsoft. Microsoft is having which one? SQL Server. SQL Server. SQL Server is a product of which one? Microsoft. SQL Server is a product of Microsoft. Oracle and MySQL is a product of Oracle Corporation. Okay, SQL Server is a product of Microsoft. Okay. So anyway, tomorrow I'll tell you how to work with this MySQL database, right? And then I'll tell you Oracle also. And then we'll see how Python program communicate with the different databases, right? Yes. Right? Okay, we'll see tomorrow. Thank you. Okay, right.